Karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful, very thick passion fruit pulp. You can make this at home and it's very simple and it is 100% natural. Alright, so in my pot over here I've got some passion fruit that's frozen. This is how we buy it. It does not have any water in it. And I added about half a cup of sugar. It's not necessary to add sugar, but I was making a dessert that needed the sugar in it. All right, so I just mix it well and then bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then after that, you can use lemon or lime juice and the zest as well. This is to just pop up those flavors. Then again, this is not necessary. I was after a certain flavor. I use this for the passion fruit bars, which I have already shared the recipe. Just going to mix it well. And then we are going to blend this. If you want to add more sugar, just check. I didn't need to add any sugar to that. And you can blend it while it's still hot or you can let it cool. All right, so I'm just going to put it in the blender. Sorry, we are not going to blend this, we're just going to pulse it. And this is how you're going to get a very thick, smooth passion fruit pulp. So you're just going to pulse it for about 4 times, 5 times, up to even 6 times. Do not blend it. If you want it a little lighter, you can add more water. Because when you blend it, you're going to break down the seeds. We just want to separate the seeds from the threads. And then you're just going to strain it. You see how simple this is? Just going to strain it and you're going to get a beautiful pulp. Now you can freeze this pulp and use it for your desserts, some cheesecakes or whatever you want. And it's very, very highly concentrated, as you can see. So you have to be very careful when you use it. All right, so I want to show you how thick this is. And then I'm going to continue until I finish with the rest. Now the residue, which are seeds, you can make juice out of it. And I just wanted a little bit of the seeds because I wanted to put them on the passion fruit bars and I wanted the seeds to show. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you again in my future video. Thank you.